Miss Jamaica!
Ala, nag-iisa ka, walang makasama, walang maikama, etigang ka na, anong gagawin mo? Magsarili ka, mag-Jamaica!
Thank you, Miss Jamaica! And our next candidate, please welcome the sexy and the gorgeous Miss Turkey!
Turkey.
Thank you, Miss Turkey! And our next candidate, the land of fashionista, please welcome Miss France!
Comment allez-vous, mademoiselle? Passez beaucoup.
Ano?
Passez beaucoup.
Ano yan?
Manila, Padabaw, passez beaucoup. Nalimunin yun. Bonjour!
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 Bonjour! Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Ay, bonjour!
Bunso yun!
Lano o! Tine! Lebi! Leed! Lebag! O lebog! Fransya!
Thank you, Miss France! And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the very powerful country in the world. Please welcome Miss USA!
Kasagwig.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Alzumira de Aziz, in English, Alzheimer's disease. I'm studying Michigan State University of Mass Communication, major in masturbation. Representing and believe in a saying that virginity doesn't matter at all. What matters most is that you know how to muscle control. And what is your beauty if your pepe is dirty? Thank you so much.
Very well said, Miss USA! And now, ladies and gentlemen, next in line, please welcome the hot and gorgeous Miss Julie!
Chile.
Thank you, Miss Chile. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next candidate, the very largest population in the world, the sleeping giant. Please welcome Miss China.
Meow ma.
Ni hao,
Meow.
ni hao,
Meow.
ni hao.
Kong hei. Fuck you. Gua aini. No entry. Kung siya na, kung ko'y na nagkasas ka, nagkamera ng bas, Scarborough shoes, West Philippine Sea, inago mo pa, ibalik mo na, walang yaka, China.
Thank you, Miss China. And our next candidate, please welcome the land of the rising sun, Miss Japan. Konbanwa.
Kababa.
Konbanwa.
No si Kandasu ka.
Nani?
No si Kandasu ka.
Ano yun?
Baliktad lang, sino kang mudas ka? Matasyo naman, tak, di naman to, uki mo, may kuto. Representing the land of the rising sun, lugar ng mga sakang, kininam, adungin, na tsunami, Japan!
Thank you, Miss Japan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the very peaceful country in the world. Please welcome Miss And our next candidate, a very special candidate from the special country. Please welcome Miss Mongolia.
Mongoloid. Mongoloid lang.
Introduce yourself.
Mong.
Gol?
Call.
Yeah.
Mongol! Yeah, Mongoloid ka. Ako budoy.
Thank you, Miss Mongolia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, winning the crown of Miss 2018 Miss Universe, please welcome Catriona Gay, our very own Miss Philippines, Maya!
Hindi ko tutuloy ito hanggat hindi ako nakakarinig ng palakpakan. At mas masaya kung malakas ang hiyawan! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Catriona Gay, 25